Okay, the next question comes from Bill Baldwin. Now, Bill's been a supporter of my channel for a long time. Generally comments on all my videos. Appreciate it, Bill. How you doing? Says, what's your take on certs, Bruce? Do they really make any difference when finding work? And what ones do and ones that are duds? Okay, I think I'm in a good position to answer this because I talk to many companies in the IT industry. I'm in the IT business. What certs do ultimately is they prove that you were able to pass an exam. They do not prove your ability to actually do on the job what the cert is for. In other words, it's kind of like going to the BMV, passing the written exam does not make you qualified to drive a car. Okay, no more than passing a your CCNA makes you able to work with Cisco gear. You have to have that practical experience. The other thing we look for as an employer is not only your experience, but also your ability to fit in with the rest of the team. Do you get along with people? That's what we're really looking for. Can you do the job and can you get along with everybody? As far as certifications in and of themselves go, there's a whole industry out there of training people to take exams, the exam process itself, etc. At the end of the day, many people take certs where the ball is right now, not necessarily where the ball is going to be. Some certs I think are very good. You remember the world of IT's got a lot of different specialties. I actually made a list here. Big data, disaster recovery, cloud, forensics, hardware, networking, data center, database architect, help desk, government security. There are certain certs within those industries that are very highly sought after. I would argue that whenever you get a I think it's called the CCNP, that's the Cisco Certified Network Professional, when you get that certification, that is a good one to have. But it's not necessarily a deal breaker if you don't have it. Your CCNP in data center. In security, it's your CISSP, your CISSP, that's a Certified Information Security System or System Security Professional. But ultimately, it's all about experience. And most companies and most employers that I know, can you do the job? Can you get along with the rest of the folks that work there? And if you meet those two criteria, most of them don't even care whether you have certs or not. As far as certs that are, kind of worthless, those would be the ones that are very general type of certs. The old hardware-related certs and that kind of thing. They're kind of a waste of time and money in this day and age. And there's also a declining value on these certifications. If I became an MCSE in 2010, that is not as good anymore, as relevant anymore as the MCSE in 2015. So just remember, you get on that cert bandwagon, it is a never-ending investment in money. But your ability to actually do the job you're applying for, that's what's really important. The demonstrated experience that you might have, that's where it's really at. Experience and your ability to be a good team player, that's what really matters to employers. I have personally never hired anyone in my career in IT that expands several decades now based on certifications. In fact, there's been plenty of people hired who had no certifications, but they had a ton of experience and a great personality, and they were a great fit. That's what I worry about as an employer. That's what most companies worry about as far as being an employer. Hopefully that answers your question.